Naghanap ka ba ng residential property or investment na pwede mong gawing rental or ipasok sa Airbnb business? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pepito, your home search buddy. Sulit na sulit ang investment mo dito sa Paradisimo, na located lang sa Barangay Malainan, Bago, Naik, Cavite, malayo sa ingay ng Metro Manila. However, accessible pa rin ito via Cavite. Meron itong resort style na amenities gaya ng jogging path, children's rock climbing wall, basketball court, outdoor children's playground, children's bicycle area, grilling station, swimming pool with slides, at 2-story Tropicana clubhouse. Ang maganda nga din dito ay gated at secured ang ating community at meron lang itong 450 units. Meron tayong 3 model units, si Kiara, Shena, at Sofia. Bungalow single attached units na pwede mong ipa-expand in the future. May option ka rin dito for complete finish turnover or basic finish turnover kung gusto mong i-customize ang interior design ng property mo. Available rin ang ating lot only for